Ricer.
Oh, we didn't talk about this mod.
It's a OEM gas cap. Give me a break. It's not like it's a fucking China like stick on. So. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Mo. I'm from Racebox. Many of you guys interact with me just calling to Racebox, messaging our Instagram page, or emailing us on sales@racebox.com. So I run pretty much all the sales here at Racebox, along with some of the social media with Chidong as well. So today I'm just kind of doing an introductory of our G80 M3 series. So we're going to take this car from pretty much stock to an OTS 93 level, custom 93 OTS ethanol levels, along with custom ethanol. Yeah, so many of you guys know me. I had the white M340 that was on the Racebox page, had the big boost turbo kit, had a transmission, supporting fuel system, all of that. So I enjoyed the car, did get rid of it back in August of this year. Yeah, we're still in 2023. Anyways, so the next logical step for me was to get a G80 M3. So that's exactly what I did. So this is the 2023 Tanzanite Blue G80 M3 Competition. So I've gotten it pretty much at the start of August, and as you guys can see, I've already done a few modifications. All the carbon aero is through my boy Wesley at Carbonized. So I've got the front grille, the air ducts, front lip, side skirt, rear diffuser,
get a close
so all
up
that
of
stuff.
these.
Excellent fit and finish and all this stuff. Outside of that, engine stuff is pretty basic. We did a Valvetronic full catback exhaust. I'll also show you. Yeah, under the hood looks pretty stock. I'm just running the Mishimoto intake. I've got the air boxes for them. We're just missing a couple pieces of hardware. So once we get that stuff done, we'll have the boxes put together. I also got a set of BC4's HCA 381S, I believe. So they're 20 by 10 in the front. They're also replicas.
Wow.
And 20 by 11. So they're a little bit heavier than the OEM wheel setup, but like the concavity of the wheels,
sick, yeah.
They look fantastic. It's a brush clear with the polish tip. They're a little bit dirty. Haven't cleaned them just yet, but yeah, that's the wheel setup.
And get the rear.
So for this video, we're gonna do kind of show a comparison from the car bone stock on a 6130 and an OTS 93 from Bootmod3. So here are the stock numbers for a 6130, which should be approximate 9.5. And then this is the OTS 93 6130s from this morning.
Jesus.
When did it start doing that?
Bro,
Bootmod3.
Loud, bro. That's loud.
That's OTS burbles.
Damn. Damn.
You're finna make it spicy.
Ricer.
Oh, we didn't talk about this mod.
It's a OEM gas cap. Give me a break. It's not like it's a China like stick on. So
Why didn't you tell us about that mod when you were going through the mods? Are you ashamed?
Because the carbon fiber is a stick on to the cover, so it's not weight reduction. If I was like, if it swapped it for the OEM gas cap, I could say, hey, it's like weight reduction, but it's not. So.
Wow, Ricer.
Yep.
You're good.
Yeah, right now it is. Right now it's in auto manual mode.
It's a manual. It's warmed up, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, that feels good.
It feels really good.
Yeah, it feels so much more violent being a passenger.
Yeah. Yep.
Like that hits instant. That's so loud.
Can you brake boost or no?
You can. I tried it. Oh god. Woo!
What do you think?
Sorry.
Very good.
First gear.
all
Yeah.
these cars have had.
No, Alex came over.
Oh yeah, he did a whole.
Yeah, at nighttime.
Dude, that feels so. It feels like it keeps going and going.
Like it doesn't die off on the top end, like a BCBA stock turbo.
I'm glad you got it because now it's raining.
Dude, that feels so. It's such a big difference when I drove it in.
When it was stock.
Yeah.
When I drove it, in Dallas.
Yeah. You could just park it because I mean it's raining now. I'm gonna wait.
Oh, there's no Beats car.
Okay, my turn.
Wow, fast car. Well, that's what a supercharged VQ sounds like. Wow.
Yeah, so next time you guys see us, we'll be on the dyno, probably at full performance, and we'll get you guys some custom 93 numbers.
Yeah. Nice. Go. M793. Okay, so I'm gonna go for one more run in manual mode, because I did short shift a tiny bit on that last run. So I think if I can hit a 7 to 8 on this OTS map, that'd be pretty sick. Now, so I got slower if I shifted around at 7K. So it's 799. I did feel the car slow down a little bit in 5th gear. So maybe, it's 93, a little bit of knock retard. But it's not bad. Consistently 7.9. I think that's all the ones we're gonna do. Cause I try manual mode, I try short shifting a little bit, I try shifting at 7,000, and then I just try just leaving it in auto and flooring it, letting it kick down, downshift, and just shifting at whatever RPM it likes to shift at. And it hit a 799 again. So that, I mean, I don't know what else I can show you to show how consistent this car is right now. But yeah, hopefully once we do the custom tuning, we can knock off even more time on this, because being an OTS map, it's probably a little conservative. But it is 93, so like I don't think we're gonna push like crazy numbers. 93, ethanol is where it's at. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the shop, and then I'm gonna show these times to Mo and see what he says.